Okay. Hello everybody. So to make our bubble mixture, you need first of all 2 tablespoons of washing up liquid. So I've got a tablespoon here and I'm using that to measure, but you could improvise if you haven't got a tablespoon and pop it into a cup or something you can mix it with. There we go. And then I'm just going to wash my spoon because the next thing you need is sugar. So you need 1 tablespoon of sugar. And this box is full of caster sugar. I've chosen caster sugar because it should dissolve into the solution more quickly. And then fill your cup or your container about halfway up with your solution. You need to stir it to make the sugar dissolve. And now you've got a solution of washing up liquid and sugar and water. And then there is your mixture ready to go. You need to take a straw next and a plate, or if you're at home, you could use a kitchen surface if you check that's all right with somebody at home. I'm going to put some of the mixture on my fingers and I'm going to make a film on my plate. And then I'm going to take my straw and I'm going to try and blow a bubble onto the plate. And when you've done that, dip it in again, insert the straw into the first bubble and try and make a bubble in a bubble. Aha, it's worked, hooray. And then, oh, that one popped. When you've done that, try and make another bubble within a bubble and keep going. How many bubbles within bubbles can you make? I've got 2 there. Have fun. If you have a look on the home learning, you'll discover all kinds of worksheets and suggestions of what you might like to do of other experiments as well.